So this is a website called Unsplash, and they have different tabs like wallpapers, nature, 3D renders, and many more. Let's pick an image. I want to download this image, so I'll click this image, and on the right side it says download free. I'll click this icon so I can choose different sizes. I'll choose Orion size. You can also head down to see similar images, so I'll download this image also. Now, if I want to credit the artist, I can credit the artist using this. But you have to remember one thing, Unsplash is mostly free, but there are some images that you need to pay. For example, if I click this image, you can see many Unsplash watermarks, and if I click download, I have to pay. But other times, you really need to just look for similar type of images to download. For example, 3D renders. I love this one, so I can download this for free, and it is almost 6K in size. So this is a very good website. Actually, I would say this is a great website because you can use this website to download wallpapers or use the images for stock video and or even some other commercial use. So I hope it helps. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it.